27, descending through 2.5.
76 Alpha Charlie, traffic will hold in position, runway 27, clear to land.
Clear to land, 27, 6 Alpha Charlie, thank you.
Okay, flash 15, please.
2516,
Flash
contact
15.
Hotel departure.
Departure, good day, Southwest 2516.
And let's go ahead and do gear down.
Alright, gear is going down. Set.
Thank you.
And Tower Southwest
1,
3380 is
2,
inbound
and
on
3 in the
the
green.
Arnett
And
for runway
crossing
Delta 725, tower runway 27, ladder point.
Runway 27, ladder point, Delta 725.
Skyway 3380, limber tower, traffic hold in position, runway 27, clear to land.
7, clear land, South 3380.
Okay, let's go flaps 35, please.
Flaps 35.
Below
Set.
161, and just run me through a before landing checklist.
Yep. We have got flaps set.
35.
Altitude.
Passenger safety, seatbelts, engine sinks are off. Landing gears down.
3
1,
green
2,
arrows.
369, turn
Flaps
left, Bravo 8,
land.
contact ground.
Set, yeah.
And
That's
speed
probably
brakes
and
retract.
Retracted, yeah.
Autopilot your damper disengaged.
They're engaged still to go.
Okay. Annunciator clear.
Perfect. Okay.
Now we're looking for our
For about 700 feet a minute or so.
Delta 725, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Delta 725, clear for takeoff, runway 27. Over tower, medevac reaching at 21.
He cleared us to land, right?
Yep, he did clear us to land.
2-1, tower, roger,
27.
radar service terminated, and call me back when you're
Whatever.
Call you back when we depart, reaching at 21.
See a guy departing.
Yep, he's taking off. And with a Delta. He's at 1,000 footers.
Yeah, I see him. Alright. Here's minimums. We'll continue. We got the runway in sight.
Autopilot.
Disconnected.
Alright. And
Minimums.
Alright,
He
visual.
is off.
Continue. Oh, glide slope. Gears down, yep.
gears down, 3 in the green. Flaps are set.
Delta 725, contact Hotel departure.
Delta 725, switching departure.
A little high, a little
500.
falling down.
Altitude.
Level.
Tower Delta 552 is with you for
I'm gonna duck just a little low so I can get
RNF
off
for runway 27.
early. That's
Delta
brief.
552, traffic
Go
hold
for
in
those
position,
numbers.
runway 27, clear to land.
Delta 552, copy, clear land, runway 27.
Alaska 320 to you, limber tower, runway 27, line of point, traffic 4 mile final.
27, line point, Alaska.
Alright, power's out.
Alright. Alright, nice and done.
And ground flaps, please.
Ground flaps. Ground flaps set.
Charlie 6 comes pretty quick, so,
Yeah.
so you
November
gotta
6 Alpha Charlie, turn right at Charlie 6, expedite off the runway, contact ground.
Right at Charlie 6, over to ground. Thanks for your help. 6 up, Charlie.
Alright, got that ground, please.
Alright,
Number
over
2.
Yep, come 2. Alright, we'll get on with the ground.
Hit it.
Runway ground, citation 786 Alpha Charlie, clear at Charlie 6.
For 76 Alpha Charlie, Lima ground taxi, Century, Charlie Hotel.
Charlie Hotel 6 Alpha Charlie.
Perfect. Walk me through after landing checklist, please.
Alright, we've got Charlie Hotel, correct?
Correct, yeah.
Perfect. Oh yeah, straight Charlie and then left on hotel.
Checks.
Alright, after landing, flaps retract,
Up.
pulse strobe lights off,
Off, yep.
pitot heat off, engine wing heat
Off.
off, windshield heat off,
Off.
and radar on standby.
Checks. Awesome.
Nicely done, man.
Hey, Jinx.
Oh, we're getting in sync here.